Does your hot tub cover stink like mold or mildew? You're not alone. That smell usually comes from trapped moisture, poor water chemistry, or a neglected cover. Here's how to fix it. Why it smells. Damage lets in steam and rain. You don't take the cover off enough. You've got a cheap, low-quality cover. It's just plain dirty. Or your water chemistry's off and bacteria-filled steam gets trapped in the cover. Okay, here's how to get rid of the smell. Balance your water. Test every few days. Keep the pH between 7.4, 7.6, alkalinity 80, 120 parts per million, and keep sanitizer levels healthy. 2. Clean the cover. Mix mild dish soap with warm water, wipe it down, rinse it, and let it fully dry before putting it back. Replace it if it's heavy, smells awful, and falling apart. It's time to go. Don't cheap out on the next one. Bonus tip. After cleaning and drying, apply a cover protectant like 303 Aerospace Protectant to extend its life and block UV damage. So, want more spa care tips? Head to aquashore.co.uk. Happy soaking!